I am Jed from GDK Veneering. Now, on a lot of our videos, I show you kind of some of the process that our woodwork goes through. Today, we're doing some MG kits, and that is on steel that have all been cleaned up, all been primed, ready to be glued. The veneers have all been cut in bare walnut. So what we do is we would glue these panels, we would glue that panel with our special metal glue, then we would turn that over and put it on there, same all the way down. So when we cut the veneers have to follow on pattern, and that's exactly what these do. So that'll go on there like that, and then it'll go into the press behind me. So it's a little bit noisy, so the sound will be going a bit funny. So that's how we do it, but I've already got some that we did earlier. It's in this vacuum press behind us, and I'm going to pull them out, and there's also a TVR set in there as well. But there's some of these kits already in there that's been veneered. So if you'd just like to carry on watching, I'll show you what it looks like when it comes out. So this vacuum press is one that we made ourselves, and basically it's just like an industrial press, a little bit like the bag presses, but this is more industrial. Can do a lot bigger, and where we need extra strength, it'll use that on this particular heat press. Now it is a heated, so there's heaters in the top of here. It does separate, a rubber membrane gets warm, and then it stretches around any object that's in the press. So you can see that we have got some grease-free paper. That's so the veneer doesn't stick to this rubber membrane. And here's some that we were talking about. You will hear them cracking, because wherever there's a hole, it'll start to crack because the veneer will actually dry out. Because there's a little bit of moisture in there to allow it to stick. So if you can listen to that, there we go, you see, it does crack. So we'll carry on taking these out. Like I said, there's a TVR set that's in here as well that we've had to elevate and put onto jigs so that it does put a little bit more pressure onto the metal for it to stick. Now these are fairly warm, you will hear it, like I said, cracking, but that is normally what it does because it's already starting to cool down from coming out of this press. So then we've got the TVR set. And that's the centre, believe it or not, there's all clocks all over this. And then we'll put the press back down so it keeps the heat in there. Now normally this is heated to about 40 to 50 degrees to be able to activate the glue that we actually use. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Jed from GDK Veneering. Please click like, share and tell your friends. Bye bye.